Avocados take 5 years to grow, rejected in seconds. But why? Millions of avocados never make it to your plate just because they aren't perfect. But what really happens to them? From secret harvesting techniques to high-tech sorting, and a shocking truth about ripening, we uncover the avocado industry's best-kept secrets. And here's something surprising. This creamy fruit isn't just delicious. It's packed with heart-healthy fats, essential vitamins, and even helps with weight loss. The avocado you eat has survived an intense selection process. Let's uncover its unbelievable. Welcome to the world of avocados, where a single fruit's journey spans years, crosses borders, and goes through a hidden selection process before it ever reaches your plate. But did you know? Avocados never ripen on trees. They stay rock hard until they're picked. And that's just the beginning of their incredible story. From Mexico's volcanic soil to high-tech sorting lines, today we uncover what really happens behind the scenes of the $13 billion avocado industry. It all begins with a tiny seed, planted deep in the fertile soil of Mexico. But not just any seed, this is the start of something extraordinary. Mexico, with its volcanic soil and perfect climate, is the world's avocado powerhouse, producing over 2.4 million tons of avocados each year. But growing the perfect avocado isn't easy. The tree won't bear fruit for 5 years, and the soil needs to be perfectly balanced. Even then, there are no guarantees. And here's a surprising fact. Avocado trees can't pollinate themselves. They rely on bees and butterflies to turn those flowers into fruit. Without these tiny workers, we wouldn't have the delicious avocados we love. After 5 long years of waiting, the moment of truth arrives, harvest time. But picking avocados isn't as simple as plucking ripe fruit from a tree. Unlike most fruits, avocados never ripen on the tree. They stay firm until they're picked. But here's the catch. Pick too early, and they'll never ripen properly. Pick too late, and their quality declines. That's why each avocado is carefully hand-picked. Farmers check the size, color, and even oil content before making the cut. Even the slightest bruise can make it unfit for sale. In Mexico, harvesting is done entirely by hand to ensure that only the best avocados make it to market. And from here, these avocados begin their next journey, to high-tech processing facilities where science takes over. From the farm to the factory, now begins the most crucial phase of the avocado's journey: sorting, grading, and quality control. Because not every avocado is worthy of reaching your plate. The global avocado industry is worth over $13 billion. And to maintain this massive market, only the best avocados make the cut. Each avocado is scanned for size, shape, and even internal defects. Any that don't meet the standard are immediately set aside. Next, they go through a deep cleaning process, washed to remove dirt and bacteria, ensuring they stay fresh for weeks. Finally, they're packed into temperature-controlled crates. From here, they'll travel thousands of miles, carefully monitored, to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. But their journey isn't over yet, because when they reach your supermarket, they're still rock hard. So what makes them ripen perfectly at just the right time? When avocados leave the farm, they're still rock hard. But when you pick one from a supermarket shelf, it's perfectly ripe. So what's the secret behind this transformation? Avocados ripen only after they're harvested, and supermarkets use a special trick to control this process: ethylene gas. Ethylene is a natural ripening agent found in fruits like bananas and apples. By exposing avocados to controlled amounts of ethylene, retailers ensure they ripen just in time for sale. And here's a trick you can use at home. Place an avocado in a paper bag with a banana or apple, and it will ripen faster. And after weeks of careful handling, the journey is finally complete. From a tiny seed in Mexico to your plate, Every avocado carries a story of patience, precision, and science. The journey of avocados teaches us how nature, science, and hard work come together to turn something ordinary into something extraordinary. Do you want to uncover more fascinating stories about agriculture? Greenfield's agriculture technology takes you beyond the fields and inside the industries where food production remains a mystery to most people. If you're curious about the hidden secrets of food production, stay with us and explore more eye-opening stories in our upcoming videos.